Welcome back for another video, guys, and today I'm going to be explaining how to use technical analysis as a beginner trader. Even for experienced traders, watch this video, it is going to be very helpful for you. So I'm going to explain a little bit of liquidity, but this video is mainly for technical analysis for beginners, also for experienced traders. So without wasting time, let's go straight to the chart. Also, check the link in the description, join my free telegram. I do post trade signals. If you're interested, you will learn a lot from how I trade. You can also be aware of when I'm taking my trades and also take them when I take them. So yeah, let's get into the video. Let's go. So today I'm going to be explaining technical analysis for beginners, and obviously I'm going to keep it very simple. Usually you see me trading other blocks, demand and supply, liquidity, breaker blocks. Some beginners may not even know what they are, but experienced traders do. Experienced traders can still learn from what I'm teaching today, so make sure you watch to the end of this video. Today I'm going to be explaining how to use trend lines. This is very easy, and basically there's no much to it, so I'm just going to go ahead and explain how to use trend lines, right? So you can see here right now I basically have two rules for using trend lines. Two rules: one, follow the trend; two, your third touch is your sweet spot, right? So you can see I'm always looking to enter from the third bounce of the trend line, the third touch of the trend line on the 1 hour time frame, and you can see price comes here, goes up, comes here, it goes up a very good amount, comes back, and we have created a trend line. Right, from this first two we already have a trend line, so what we are waiting for is for price to come again, and it does, and the third touch is a sweet spot. So what I do, I take my position to like mark this trade house risks, make sure my stop loss is below the previous low. So you can see my stop loss is below the previous low, and then my take profits, I would have targeted this other support right there. Why? It's because this market, I said one of the rules is following the trend, and you can see this market is not actually trending anywhere. You can see this market is just in a range, so we are in no place to go high, we are in no place to keep going further up, because we are not sure market to do that. And you can see our market actually finally tanked and broke down to the downside. So actually understanding the trend, follow the trend very well. Now let me use another example and explain. So you can see this other trend line. Right now we know we are in a downtrend. Why? See markets making series of highs. Market is going up, making several higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, going up. What finally happened? Price breaks the lows. Price from here breaks the lows, makes a lower high, lower low. Price is going lower, and what does it do? It takes out a certain point in price, a major low, where liquidity is resting. Where is liquidity? Where there are orders, where there is money in the market. Possibly people are staying from here to buy. So you can see some people's money has been taken in, and they bought the market up to this point, and they have left the market because now there is no more buying power, there is selling power. So what does market do? Market taps this point, and you can see from here we have a trend line with two touches. So now we are waiting for the sweet spot, and we get the third touch. So you can see you enter from the third touch. Though price came back twice, there would have been no problem. This trade went for, you would have targeted this major low right here, 100 pips, 1 to 7 trade. Very easy, following the trend one, and also entering off the third touch. So I'm just going to look for one more example. This example is one that did not work, so I'm going to obviously be real with you guys. It's not every time it is going to work, right? It will not work every time. Now this example is kind of, I'll say, funny, because in a way there are two different trend lines here that people can mark out. You can see some people that will mark out something like this, right? But me, I mark out, I'm used from like the weeks, right? So I mark out this as my trend line, and this will be my trend line. And you can see the third touch did not actually go well, and I'm going to show you why. This trade was a losing trade. For a lot of people, they would have actually taken this trade and they would have lost it. So I like my position too so far. So you can see that this trade would have been a losing trade, because normally our target would be something around here, this high, going for a 1 to 4. But this trade didn't go well. Why? If I zoom out, you can see we are in a massive downtrend. So what is happening here is just a retracement for price to keep selling. This is not an actual uptrend. So this is why my number one rule is very important. Look at the trend. Look at the trend. If you actually follow the number one rule, you would have obviously avoided this loss. This market is trending downward, so you're in no position to buy, right? Instead, you can even be looking for a breakout, and if you had been looking for a breakout, you'd have gotten a retest. All these are just basically using trend lines, following the trend, using the dead touch rule, and you can make money from this strategy. No too much complication. So you can see what happens here. A very nice trade. Breakout on the trend line. Breakout. You know you're in a downtrend. What are you doing? Don't try to buy. Wait for a break. You sell. So you can see how this trade would have been a loss, at the same time how it could have been a win, right? So 2 golden rules. Make sure you're looking at the trend, and make sure you obey the dead touch rule. Is a very important thing. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Help me grow the channel, guys, and I'll still keep doing my best to post free value for you guys. And yeah, if there's any question you want to ask, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to join my free Telegram. See these trades before I take them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.